Hello and welcome to another episode of Turbo Reviews. I say another episode. Yeah. Look what I got today, kids. This one I know been around for a little bit, but it's still it's supposed to be a good one, you know. One of them good little whoopers. So, a happy model Mobula 7. Mobula, I've heard it both ways, so you never know. I might say Mobula, I might say Mobula. Mobula I like better, I don't know why. Mobula 7. We'll go with Mobula 7 by Happy Model. This is the 2S whoop. So let's just jump down on it. What do you think? See you downstairs. All right, here we are. We got our instruction pack here, kinda. I guess it is. Tells you all the connections for everything on your flight controller board. Shows you how to go. I got the FR Sky, so it shows you how to do that. You can either bind it in D16 or D8, I believe, both, either one. Default arm and disarm switch is aux 1, channel 5, of course. And binding right here. We'll just look at the model, but show you how to bind it and all that. I haven't even done that yet, so I might do that too on camera. I don't know if it's important or not. You do get that little charger. There's the prop rotation, normal rotation. Handy dandy charger. I've got one like this already. It's identical, I'm sure. Just doesn't have that cover on it. It does do high volt and regular both, and it does change amping. 0.6 amp or 0.2 amps. So you get that. You do get 2 extra batteries and extra props and a screwdriver, looks like, and then your little jumper if you want to do 1S. If you want to do 1S, you put that in one of the outlets on the little quad here. Get it out here. You got your 2 batteries already, and it's got 2 in it. And with a little 3D printed piece there to hold 2 wires. They are in series. Pretty good looking little quad, isn't it? And the thing does tilt. It goes down flat as well. Boy, it's a tiny little bind button. I mean, yeah, it's a tiny little quad. All right. Little tiny little motors. Tiny little 0802. Yeah, 0802. 16. I think some people can't see. I've heard them say 18. It's 16. 16,000 kV. I do have the Tiny Hawk coming as well. I thought they might come at the same time because I wanted to do them both, not together so much, but test them together. But I'm getting the Tiny Hawk. It really should have been here at the same time this one was, really, or before. Don't know what the deal is. Alright, well, I think I've said all I can say. If I can think of more, I'll come back. Just check it out. Take it for a fly. Here we go. Mobula 7. Alright, here we are with the Mobula 7. I'm going to do a little outdoor LOS flight first. Okay. Got one prop not wanting to spin here. Oh, let's see. Wires in there. Okay. Here we go. That's pretty slow rates actually. This is stock. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we're... It does have some speed. Ah. As you can see here from my indoor FPV flight, the first one I did anyway, this is the very first time with the Mobula 7. And yeah, I wouldn't recommend this for a newbie, that's for sure, because throttle management is difficult indoors if you don't have a large space. As you can see, I don't have a real large space here in the house. You know, fairly decent area, but I find the brushed ones fly a little better here around this around the area than this 2S does. 2S is just too much for this place, but you know, that all depends on where you're going to fly it. To me, I think it's a great outdoor flyer, though, for sure. But as you can see, I get better. I do get better, and this again is the first flight. So anyway, enjoy the rest of the flight. Thanks for viewing. Have a good day.